Are you okay, sweetie? Come on.
Let it go.
Come on, we're going to be late. I've got to go.
Oh no, I've got my jacket strapped to the boot. Seatbelts on, safety first. Have you got your sunglasses?
What's that noise?
Oh.
Come on.
Do you switch? Can you?
Come on.
Oh.
Hang on. What do we do? Why won't it start?
I don't, oh.
Let's lift the bonnet. Hang on.
Is it? Oh, do you?
Hang on. Oh.
No, that's the heater, darling. They're the hazards.
Do we leave the hazards on?
Leave them on. Oh, your engine management light's on as well. This can't be good. I'll take some selfies.
How do we... Hang on. It's under here.
Smile,
somewhere.
darling, smile.
Right, how do we do it?
Darling,
Oh,
that's your wipers.
No. Oh, quick. How do we clean them? Oh, God.
You're flashing your light.
I don't know what to do. How do we get this
The back
bloody
wipers
bonnet
going.
up? I don't know how to lift the bonnet. Hang on, I can't find it.
Are you still looking for it?
Yes.
Is it not under there
It's
somewhere?
under here.
Come on, darling. Okay, darling. I thought you passed out then.
Oh, darling, get up, you okay? Oh, got it. Oh, what's this?
Oh,
We've done it. Right. Should we check the tyres? I'll check the tyres.
Okay, I'll just get back in. It's cold. Are they okay? They're still black and round?
Yes, they look fine, darling. Come on. Hello, darlings. If this is you, if you can relate to our clip, then you need to come down to Westgate Tyres On the 7th of June, 7 p.m, we are holding another ladies event, completely free, just for all the ladies out there. We've got demonstrations of how to change your tyre safely and securely. We have got a demonstration on how to check your oil, your coolant, your water levels. We will show you how to lift your bonnet. If, like us, you have no idea where your bonnet catches, we will have a look and we will show you. We're going to talk about tyres, tyre safety, tracking, wheel alignment, and lots of other little things. We've got loads going on. Like I said, it's a completely free event, so come down. It's not serious at all. Obviously the content is serious, but we all have a laugh. You don't have to know anything about cars.
You even get a pink goodie bag.
You get goodie bags, all completely free. You need to book your place. To do this, you can ring the garage on 01524 840044 or call in and see Sophie. Bye.
Cup's all bloody ruined now.
Character. Yeah. Ready? Oh, for God's sake.
No, but we're coming to pick you up. Lol.
Come a little closer.
Right, second.
Come to our garage. Come to our garage. Girl, you
What was
want to
that?
come to my garage?
What was that song that was on my phone? I'm a garage girl, garage girl, garage girl. All the boys love a garage girl. Right.
Right, anyway. So